What's going on, guys? Patrick here, and in this video we're in Athens, Georgia. We're at the Window Film Revolution Family Reunion event. This is the second time that they've had this event. Turned out to be a really awesome event. We're over here in Hall 8, and they're doing all kinds of competitions with the cars. We have all kinds of different vendors here. So I kind of wanted to give you guys a sneak peek of what the event is like and what they're doing here. If you guys are interested in coming to this event, this is going to be a great opportunity to be able to see this. And I'm just going to go ahead and show you the venue and how it is. So here we go. So we got Tinters for a Cause here. They're selling all kinds of different things for donos, for building up the Tinters for a Cause fund here. Got Expel over back this way. Got Pro Tools Now over here doing their thing. Selling all kinds of different things here. So as you can see that the vendors has been a really, really great turnout. We have Eastman over here. What's going on, guys? Moving over here, we got Matico over here. The guys over at True Spray Systems. What's going on, guys? So many different vendors did come out for this event. We got Jordan and Nick over there with Fusion Tools. We got Derek over there with Solar Effects. So there's so many different guys, and that's one of the greatest things is that when you come to an event, like sometimes it's kind of like a barbecue feel where you're just kind of hanging out, but there actually is some value in regards to here too, because then you can try out the tint busters, you can try out the True Systems, the new squeegees, the new films that they have going up. So there's just so much that you can learn and see what you can do to implement it within your business. So moving on, we're just going to keep going to kind of show you off what we got. Tint has got a bunch of different things here. Got a little music playing. So as you can see, tables all the way across over this way. You'll be able to have announcements and different things. Hope you guys can hear me. The awards is going to be right in here. It's all inclusive, all in this area here. Got the stage over here.
Let's rap a while. You see, I'm kind of lonely too. Loneliness is a very bad thing if you let it get the best of you. And loneliness can't get you down.
We got the queen here, window tinting queen, got her booth set up. Over this way, she's walking around somewhere over here. Got Pro Tinters, how you doing, how you doing? Got the car here. Woo. We got some good things for the kiddies as well here. We got some toys, some games, some sliders. So this is just a total all-around like family-friendly event. So many things to do. So if you guys are thinking about coming out to this type of event, it's not just for business. It's not just, you can bring the family. Obviously, with all the kiddies around here doing all kinds of different things. So bring the kids, bring the family, bring your employees, bring everybody. Got Avery Dennison over this way. We got Heidi and Liv. Hi, say hi. Johnson Window Films over this way as well. We're doing some demos with shrinking films on a bowling ball over there. KDX has this awesome film that not only can shrink up and down, but can also shrink sideways. It's kind of crazy. Hopefully we're going to be able to get a demo with that, be able to show you. Got some really greats, the greats from Solar Effects. Ralph Van Pelt right over there. Window Tinting Queen over this way, doing her thing. And then I think they're doing an exterior protection for windshields over here at the 3M booth. I think I saw someone doing it with their eyes blindfolded. It was crazy. It was crazy. Got Flex Film in the mix right here. Autobahn, of course. The boys from Autobahn. Boys and girls here. Oh. And the one thing I didn't do was Tint Wiz. So Tint Wiz is we're going to go over to Tint Wiz. Tint Wiz can't be a sponsor and I give them no love. As of maybe saving the best for last, because once you get Tint Wiz for summer, they always come out. They always come out. Tint Wiz got the booth, got music, got all kinds of giveaways. Not giveaways, just freebies. Go ahead and grab bags, you know, dash towels, lanyards, microfiber towels, banners, and we're also showing demos of Tint Wiz here, showing you how to use the product, how to use it, how to navigate it. So if you guys ever thought about joining on one Tint Wiz, they're gonna be able to show you everything. Coming over here, Cody Becker doing his thing over this way. And then Dry String Prep is doing some demos right over here. We're using this Vortex 15 to ceramic film some Solar Guard. We're just doing the demos right here on this dots right here for everyone here. This is where they're competing for the cars. So the cars are over this way. I think Heat 1 just finished, so we're moving over to Heat 2, going from there. So yeah, that's pretty much it in a nutshell, guys. If you guys like this, if you guys are interested in coming, check out Window Film Revolution. They are a Facebook group, and this event is also known as their family reunion. A really great turnout here, a really great venue. So if you're interested in coming to something like this, just keep your eyes out, you keep your ears to the ground, and then yeah, that's pretty much it. Thanks for coming, guys. We'll talk soon. Bye. What's going on, guys? Patrick here, and in this video we have a special thing. We're gonna go, okay, go again. Take 2.